Welcome back to the channel of Detail Culture, and today I'm going to talk about wheel cleaning. So I'm going to get into the video. I'm going to use an Adams Polish tire and rubber cleaner. I'm just spraying right on the tire. I'm not spraying the tire off with water or pressure washer first. I just want the product to not be diluted and just do its thing. And then you can see here, some of that brownness is already coming off. And that's something you will not get at a car wash. You really need to do this yourself, really, to get your tire really clean. So here I'm using a tire brush, stiffer bristles, and kind of curve to the tire shape so you can get at the tire itself. It's really nice. I do like it. It's Mother's. It's kind of a cheap one, but hey, it works for me, so I'm using it. And here I am scrubbing it. You can see all the foam is kind of brown. That's all that dirt and everything coming off of it. And then we're going to do it again. And you know when your tire's clean is when the foam is looking white. Similar to this. And I'll do it one more time just to ensure that I have a clean tire. I don't know how long the history of this car. I don't know when's the last time it's been detailed, but I'm just doing it so you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see here that the foam is all white, so now I know the tire is clean. So here I am using Adams Polish's wheel cleaner. And this right here, it's a wheel cleaner, and also it has an iron remover in it as well. So it will bleed purple when it contacts with the metal particles in there. Obviously with the brakes and everything, brake dust coming off, the oil's gonna be pretty bad with it. Honestly, this one wasn't that bad. But it's something you really want to do to make sure the wheels are really clean. Do it in the inner barrels and then the face of the wheel. So now I'm going to clean the inner barrels with the Easy Detail brush. It does have a rubber tip on it so I don't damage the wheels. Now this is everyday runner, so they're not asking for perfection. But if you really want to get this wheel really clean, the best way to do it is wheels off. Take it off and really scrub down and get all that stuff off. But otherwise that's all I'm doing. Now I'm going to clean the face of the wheel. And this right here is a wheel brush, and it has a rubberized all around it. So if I do like nick the wheel, it's not going to damage it. It's not going to scuff it or anything like that. It should be okay. And then I'm using a borehead brush just to get the lug nuts and kind of little smaller areas that big brush probably couldn't get. And it does a phenomenal job. You should be okay with it. And you can see here the wheel can be really clean when it's done. So after you're done cleaning your wheels and then drying it, I want to protect it. Here I am using Polished Angel Super Sport. Now this right here is more for like ceramic coated wheels, and then which I have in my own personal vehicle. But this does offer a 4 to 6 month protection on your rims. Now that's really nice because rims do get hot and you need some type of different protection for that besides like a regular wax or something like that. So that's what I'm doing for the video to show you how to protect your rims. And after that, I'm going to follow behind it with EcoShine Tire by IGL Coatings. I do like this one a lot. It's not a spray. It's more like a, not even gel, just kind of like a lotion type deal. And it smells really nice. It smells like a men's like aftershave. I don't know. I like the smell. And then you just put it on the tire, and some certain tire, not all tires are created equal. So some of them will let that shit soak right up, and then you want to put a second layer on there. Wait at least 15 minutes to do it. But sometimes all you need is just one, and if you look at that, that looks nice. So there it is, how to clean and protect your rims and tires.